Hello guys, good morning and good afternoon and good evening. As per you are watching this video, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Salesforce Nest. Today our agenda is what are the objects in Salesforce, like and how many types of objects are in the Salesforce, and how to we create the custom objects, and also how many ways we can create the custom objects in Salesforce, and interview questions of the this for this topic, objects topic, and you will get one bonus tip also. So let's get into this video. So objects means objects or tables in the Salesforce database that stores a particular kind of information. We have two types of objects in Salesforce. One is standard objects and also custom objects. Like standard object means these are the predefined objects provided by Salesforce by default, which has been created upon building the Salesforce CRM application. Of the objects like standard objects, for example, campaign, lead object, account object, and contact object, and also opportunity objects, like etc. These are all under by standard objects. Okay, like task, event, document, and also order, contact. These are all standard objects. We can customize the standard objects based on the your need, your business logic need. So, but we have one condition, but we cannot delete the standard objects from the organization, like in our organization. Okay, you have to note this in standard objects. We cannot delete the standard objects. Okay, uh, and standard objects are common to all the organizations. So, how to look the standard objects? See here, example, you have to look it. See here the standard objects. These are all account activity, alternative payment method, and appointment category. These are all standard objects. Custom objects. Our next topic is custom objects. As per our business needs, we can create their objects upon customizing the Salesforce CRM applications or upon building the custom applications. Okay, and all custom objects needs will be post fixed with underscore last underscore three. These are all represents the custom objects. Okay, you don't you don't you don't confuse like see here the position underscore c. This is a custom application custom object. Okay, job application underscore c, candidate underscore c, client underscore c. These are all custom objects, and we can easily customize and remove the custom objects from our organizations. Okay, we have to create and we have to delete in our organizations custom objects only. Custom objects are organization specific. Okay, these two are standard objects and custom objects. Now see here the how many ways we have to create the custom objects. Okay, we can create a custom object in three ways, like standard navigation and a schema builder and metadata soap API web service. This is the integrity, like a third party. Okay, soap API, that is third integration application. That one is metadata soap and API. These are all metadata soap API web service. These are all analyzed. Every standard and custom object has some standard phase attached to it. Okay, when we have to create the custom object, Salesforce provide the standard fields, like by default it's mandatory. Okay, see here the Salesforce provide the below five fields for each custom object by default. Whenever you have been creating a custom object, in that automatically Salesforce provide these are all these five fields are provided by default. Okay, like ID and the name and the owner, created by and last modified by. Okay, owner means who is the created the object. Okay, created by who is the owner, like who created by this object or this field or a record. Okay, these last modified by like when in that object we have some records, right? In that records, like who is the modifier and who is the created by. These are all mandatory because we have some OWD and security and field level security, right? For the purpose, these are all these three. Okay. So now we have to check how to create the custom objects. Okay. See here the roadmap for the create custom objects. Okay. First of all, we have to click on setup menu. Okay, right? Yes. See here the left side, uh, like setting option. You have to click that. Here the setup option. You have to visible setup option. Okay. You have to click setup option. Then here the left side. See here the create custom object. Okay, here the we have one way and the object manager. Okay, here the like see here create the object custom object. Here the custom object from spreadsheet. I have to explain this topic another video. I will take one video for this topic spreadsheet, how to create the custom object via spreadsheet. Okay, this is the schema builder. See, this is a schema builder, how to create the object. Okay, I have to first of all I have to explain the direct like create custom object via. Okay, so, so here the we have to write a label name. Okay, enter the label name. Like I have to example take student. Okay, plural label also we have to create like when student and students. Okay, this is singular, this is plural. Okay, see here the program. Go to the build menu in the left panel and create and expand it. Click on objects link and click on new object, custom object. See here, enter the object is singular. This is the student. Enter the value of plural label. This is the student objects. If you want if you want need description text, you have to enter the description text for this object. Like future, whoever changing like it will purpose for future and easy to understand which object is using purpose in your organization. Like see, go the optional features in your section. Okay, see here. See, enter record name or label and format. This is the by default. We have to whenever we have to creating object, it is a mandatory one field is mandatory. So you have to create whichever you want, create it. Okay, here the student name. See here the automatic name. We have data types. Whenever we have to creating the custom object, we have to two data types have like okay, like which one you have to text or auto number, whatever it is your wish. Okay, I have to choose the here ID student ID. Okay, I have to choose automatic number. Okay, see here the display format. See, this is the format example of the format. So I have to yes t underscore sorry dash curly brackets 000, whichever your wish how many digits you want, you have to write the enter the that number of digits. So I have to need 4 digits, so I have to return 4 digits and the starting number whenever you want to start the number like created the field that student ID is provide. Like I want to one starting one. Okay, so here are the optional features. If you want which feature you need, you have to select the checkbox. Allow reports, allow activities, track field, like and allow in charter groups. But we don't need this. You have to select like whenever it will be used, right? Groups and like uh, someone is starting to others like via object. So you have to need allowing charter groups. So now I don't need this option. So I don't select this option. Okay. See here the object classification, allow sharing and bulk API access. These are all platform like mm, developer for developer this I think. So here the deployment status in development means you have to some create some values and need fields you have to create whenever you have to creating you have to choose in deployment. So we don't need this like I think we don't need this option. So every time you have to choose this deployment better for practice. So allow reaches status and also see here the object creation options, add nodes and attachments related to the default page layout. So you have to remember this one. I have to teach after that. So here the and next launch new custom object widget for saving this custom object. So you have to select. So whenever we have to select this option, then automatically you have to create object. When you create the object, then automatically move to the tab setting. But you don't select this option. So I have to choose this custom tab widget for after saving this custom. Okay. See here the comes to tabs. So which one you need to tab style like logos. Which one you have to create your own logo, and these are all default. Whatever your wish, your business logic, you have to create it. So I have to choose the people. Okay, for the student, right? So next, so these are all default. And the next, see here these are all custom option, the custom app, like these are all standard apps like platform, sales, service, marketing, and a simple console. These are all standard applications. See here we have create last time video, right? This is the requirement application. This is the not standard application, right? We have create. So we are when we have to create the application, then it what will become custom object, right? So see here the custom object. So save. See, here the default to some fields provided by Salesforce, created by, last modified by owner and student ID. And here, student we have one more ID like record ID, but it won't be visible. Okay, see here the 18 digits. Here to show. See, this is the ID. Okay, I have to show it. Okay, you don't worry. So see here the requirement application. So see here the student object, right? This is the custom object. So we have to drag it after the home tab. So here, okay, for the your wish where it is placed, it we don't worry, but some you have to proper set the tabs, then it will be easy to and visible to clear. So here the user interface. See student ID. We don't have another fields, right? So now we have to create one custom object. We have to create one custom field also. Okay, I have to teach fields topic also tomorrow. So don't worry, you don't worry. So see here the data type. Data type, I will explain the data types also. See, I have to create name, student name. Okay, so don't worry. So remote first name. Okay, it will see here the whenever we creating the field label name, enter the field label name. Automatically field name it will be populated automatically with the underscore because it will be used for like APIs developer console for the developer console. See here the length. So I have to enter 50 values length. So see here the always required value in this field order to save. Like whenever every time whenever creating the object like a record, this is we want if you want any required field, so you have to choose here only required field. Okay. So next, click the next button and click the next button and save. I have to create one more field. Same, I have to choose text data type and the next button and see here the last name value. So same, it will be populated in field name. I want to enter the length of 50 characters. So next, save. See, refresh it. So I have to click new button. See here the first name field and here the last name field. So I'm creating like student Bharat. First name is Bharat and after last name is Bharat Kumar. Okay. So I'm save. Click the save button. See here the student ID. It will be automatically populated the student. When we have to creating the object, then there we have created one format, right? Automatic format st dash 0000, right? So starting number one. So see here the owner who is created by this field here the and last modify and created by see here the so here the record ID. See, this is record ID. Okay, these characters are record ID. Okay, so observation, right? Once the object has been created, it will be generated the three layers of application as below. See, table name on bank underscore C tab user interface banks, right? This is a business logic. See, this is for developer console. Okay, see, I have to show it you example that one. Here the students. This is the object tab name, right? See, here the object manager. See, student. See, here the API name is underscore underscore C. So which type? This is the custom object type. Okay. See, these are it is also deployed. Whenever we have to unselect this one, it will be not right option, right? Here the Salesforce provided by these are all five default field, right? See, these files we cannot delete from the object. Okay, we don't delete the these five fields. Okay, because these are all standard fields and also mandatory fields in our Salesforce or every object. Okay. See here the you have one bonus message also. So in our Salesforce provide some restrict some governor restricts via governor limits. In the free developer editions, we can create maximum number of 400 custom objects. Where in free developer editions, okay. In unlimited editions, we can create a maximum number of 2000 up to 2000 custom objects created in unlimited edition. Okay. See, today interview question and answers. What is an object in Salesforce org, and how many types of objects are there in Salesforce org? And tell me some standard objects in Salesforce org, and also which objects are provided by Salesforce by default. List out examples of objects, and how many objects can be created in the free edition, and also how many objects can be created in the unlimited editions. Okay, these are all interview questions. So you have to you need answer. You have to comment below this video. I will share the link also. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.